DIY self-level compound part 2. It is time to prep the floor. Start off by finding any little bits sticking up like this and grind them back to flat or less. It gets a bit dusty doing this, so always good to wear the right PPE. Give it a nice sweep up everywhere. And give it a nice vacuum as well. It's time to grab the primer. So it's 3 parts water to 1 part primer. And once it's all mixed up, it's time to slap it on with a roller. What it does is seals and creates a better bond between the concrete and the leveling compound. And once that's done, it's looking good. And it's ready to have the self-level compound, which will be part 3. So if you want to see how that turns out, hit follow.